Hello and welcome once again to what will hopefully be the final part, but you never know with me. Right, so I had a little play around just before I started recording, just in case, just to stop wasting time basically, and I've worked out what to do. So as what I thought, it was about using the feather to tickle this doodad, but it means you can't go if you go too close to him, he curls up, but if you stand here, his feet are exposed. So here we go. Here we are, a little tiny bit of tickling on the toe. And there we are, haha. Okay, so yeah, I didn't go to do any more than that, so pick up the grog. Right, we know what we're doing here, don't we? So we either use it on the hatch or the glowing crate. I'll try and use it on the hatch, I think. Okay, just want to use it. So maybe on the crate. Okay, right, stuck again. I was sure that the grog would do that. It's a bottle of ghost grog. Okay. That's bloody annoying. Ah, maybe on the door. Use ghost grog on door. No? Back. Use jug of grog on the dog. Well, here we are. Stuck. Damn it. Because I thought that would be it. I thought that would be the end. Here, what? Use jug of grog. Camel. Okay, it's got to be saved for something. But what? I think we need to get in there, but I mean, what the hell do you do to stop the door squeaking? Oil would do the trick. I guess the dog's just barring going up here. Damn it. Let's save it for what, dear boy? maybe I'm going to have to use another solution. Let's talk to the old head of the navigator. Better, eh? Hello, Mr. Navigator. Hello. Use jug of grog with head of navigator. Well, I know it's slimy and goopy, so you would have thought that would maybe could be used on the door. Okay. Guess what I'm gonna do? I can takes it no more. Bloody hell is all I'm gonna say. Shit. Didn't think of that, but I'd be here all day trying to do this. So, right. We've got to use the magnetic compass on the damned key. Does make sense, but hell. Okay, right. So that's 4 times I've had to use the solution now. That's no good. No good at all. Right, use the fucking key on the hatch. Okay. Here we go. There's lots of ghost rats and whatnot. What's this? It's a dish. It's an empty dish. That's the biggest ghost rat I've ever seen. Aha! Right. Yikes, I hate rats. Okay, so that's the grease we need to grease the door to stop it squeaking. But we need something for the rats to eat, apparently. What would a rat like? Maybe a grog. You're damn right. Okay. Poor rat. It's a vat of cooking grease. Okay, pick up. Yuck, it's all over my hands. I've got a glob of grease. Okay, now we're back onto familiar territory. Just have a little look at it and see what it says. Oh, it's empty because it's dead. Poor thing. Yeah, that's the kind of logic I would get, I suppose, but yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Yeah, of course it does. Damn. Anyway, use glob of grease on the freaking door. This should stop it from squeaking. Yes, it will. Okay, here we go. Who the hell is that? That's the brig. Ghost tools. So where am I? Okay. Let's have a look at the ghost tools. So, can we pick them up? I don't. Yes. Oh, good. More inventory. Yes. Ghost bloody tools. I mean, what the hell would you use them for? Maybe to open the crate. Maybe. He's asleep, all right. Maybe to open the crate. Maybe. Okay, we've got a lock there. It's big. It's locked. Use ghost tools on lock. I don't want to wake him up unless I have some of that anti-ghost potion to defend myself with. Right, okay, so yeah, we've got to get that blasted root, which is in this crate. Okay, we're making good progress now after cheating like a scoundrel. Yes. Yeah, give it hell, man. Give it hell. Okay. I'll just grab this old root and be on my way. Okay, we've got voodoo root now. It's twisted and dried up and not very impressive looking. Right, so we need to go back to the bastard cannibal village for them to make the potion. You know what that means, don't you? A bloody long walk. I may take pity on you and speed this up, or you may have to suffer through it. Oh, a long walk, a brief row, and a short hike later. I'm glad they cut that out. Crikey. Brief row. I did it. I got the root. Wow. Look, he's not kidding. Here it is. He's not such a wimp after all. Come on, let's go make the brew of the fermented root. Wait here, we'll be right back. Oh. There's one scary looking monkey. Nice monkey. Nice monkey. I got the root. So, I'm not such a wimp after all. I'd love to have you stuffed. I'd make a fortune. I got the root. Ah, here it is. One squirt of that stuff and the ectoplasm really hits the fan. And if you have any left over, it's delicious with a little vanilla ice cream. Good luck. Thanks. Are they going to spare us the journey back? I bloody well hope so. Good. After some more furious paddling. Good, good, good. Eep! You scared me half to death. Balmy weather we're having, isn't it? Have a taste of root beer, you evil spirit. Yeah, what happened to the ship? They all left for the wedding. Oh, hell. What wedding? Where is the wedding? Oh, shit. Where is the wedding? There's a lovely church on Melee Island. Is there? We're headed there. We're headed there. LeChuck is marrying the governor. Marrying the... Melee Island? Oh, no. I've got to go after them. I give up. I'm tired of chasing them everywhere. Why are you still here? Yes, I'm wondering that. My head fell into the lava there and I had to chase after it. And when I came back, they had gone. He's quite a friendly ghost. Shame too, I hate to miss the wedding. Yeah, I've got to go as well. I've got to go after them. I've got to stop that wedding. Bye. Oh, hell. Ah, Bob. What are you doing here? Oh, I missed the boat to the wedding. Hey, no problem. We can take mine. Let's go. He's got a bloody ship. Hey, you have a ship? Will you take me to Melee Island? How did you get here without a head? Yeah, that's an interesting question to ask. I have a head. I have a head. If you have a ship, why are you waiting to be rescued? Why, heck, if you're stranded, you've got to be rescued. It says so in the rules. Will you take me to Melee Island, you old pervert? I'll lend you my ship if you promise to rescue me, will it? Okay, deal. Let's go. The hell? I guess that was that part 4 something? Well, that was certainly easier than the trip to Monkey Island. I wonder where Toothrot's gone to now. Now I'll have to stop the wedding by myself. Okay, we've lost all our bloody items. So, right, we know where that chapel is, don't we? Oh dear. Yikes. Hey. Wait a second. Could I interest you in some root beers? Gonna go for the root beer. Root beer? Oh boy, I love root beer. Oh dear, there we are. Cool. Poor bloody blighter. Right, we are back on Melee Island, which is infested with bloody ghosts. Just gonna save it quick. Right, I think we're gonna have to go on a killing spree here. Do you have an invitation to the wedding? Well, yes, I do. No, I'm a gatecrasher. No, but I do have this deadly magic root beer. Yeah, I'm going in there with both barrels. Oosh. This stuff's great. Watch out, LeChuck. There's a new sheriff in town, and his name... Hey, I better get to the church. It's Guybrush Threepwood. Oh, it's all empty. I wonder if you can go to the fortune teller. You bloody can. Shall I? Shall I? Why not? Okay, no. I'm a devil for getting waylaid by side quests. Okay, I was wondering when this church would come into play, and here we are. Oh dear. If there be any man with reason that these two people should not be united in blissful matrimony, let him speak now or forever hold his peace. Stop the wedding! The groom isn't a gentleman, the groom isn't a human. Elaine. Stop the wedding! Yeah, I'm going for that. Hey, who's that? You! I've come to stop you from marrying Governor Marley. Please don't kill me. Take this, you vaporous voodoo vermin. I've just remembered an appointment to the dentist. Let's do a bit of a conversation before I zap him into oblivion. How dare ye plan to do that? The hell? Governor! Governor! Governor? What's going on? Oh, Guybrush, you mad fool. I'm impressed that you came to rescue me, but it really wasn't necessary. I had everything well in hand. Unfortunately, your arrival has made it necessary for me to tip my hand early. How? How did you manage to escape? I thought LeChuck was going to marry you. If you're here, who's in that dress? That's what I was wondering. It's a nice game. A couple of blasted monkeys. Don't scare them. They have my ghost-zapping root beer bottle. Oh, I'll get it. Okay. Oops. Nice going, Guybrush. Now I've got to chase them down to get my voodoo root beer back. But... hey. You dare to come here and confront me? I can't believe your audacity. Bloody hell, this is... Well, I can't believe your stupidity. I had to stop you from marrying Governor Marley. Please don't kill me. Take this, you vaporous doo-doo. Okie dokie. I'm just gonna blast him. You'll never menace decent, tangible pirates again. You billowing bag of something that begins with B. Bollocks? Now hold on a minute there, friend. I was only kidding, you know. We can settle this like gentlemen. Oh no, it's jammed. Must be pocket lint. Oh my goodness. Say now, let's not be hasty. What on earth's going on? Cool. Hell. Pow! Oh no, poor Guybrush. He's getting absolutely hammered. Biff! Good to see you, son. How's the ship? If you're interested in trading up, I can give you a fair price for it. Howdy, partner. You know, just looking by you, I can tell you're a man of the world, a man with an eye for quality. A man who knows a good bargain when he... That's good. Crikey. It's a menace, isn't it? Hell. Shit. Pick up. Oh, shit. Pick up. Oh my goodness. Root beer. Use root beer. On the chuck. Yeah. Ook. Gasp. Choke. Aye. Oh no, his skeleton's left behind. Instant replay. Oh, lovely. He'd probably spent quite a bit on that blimp cam, on that animation, and wanted to show it a couple of times. Oh, that's his noggin going up into space. Well, I'll be darned. Yes. Hooray! Hey, yikes! Don't sneak up on me like that. Sorry, that's okay. You know, LeChuck was a deviant, obnoxious, slivery, creepy, crawly sort of a guy, but I'll say one thing for him. What's that? He sure looks nice exploding against the night sky. Yes, it's very romantic. I like that drawing. Can I buy you a root beer? Sure, actually, I'm a bit sick of root beer. Oh, I see. Sure. At least I learned something from all of this. What's that? How to deal with frustration, disappointment, irritating cynicism. It's not the size of the ship that matters. Never pay more than $20 for a computer game. Yeah, that one. Yes, I've heard that one. The Secret of Monkey Island. We've done it. Only had to cheat 4 times. Featuring Spiffy as the dog in the bar. Okay, it's going to go through the credits now. We've done it, everyone. Only took us 10 episodes. Probably around 8 hours. Which is a little bit on the extreme side. Animation for disc 22. There's only 4 discs on this version, the first game, although the second one I think had about 11. I don't know if I'll play that one, but you never know, you never know. Thanks for watching, yeah, and I'll be back soon with another game. Until then, let's just enjoy the music. Sinclair, who finally bought a 286. Probably, yeah, that was a computer, wasn't it? Haha, Loom, yes. Loom, never played that. Yeah, I enjoyed that. You can see why it's turn your computer on and go to sleep. That would have been good the other last night, but I'm actually going to go and make a cup of tea. You can see why this was such a famous game. I think it's its 30th anniversary. Yeah, 90. Yeah, 30 years. Yeah, it's a great game. Good, good, good. A few little bits that are a bit sneaky, but anyway. Right, I'm off now. Cheerio. Cheerio. Cheerio.